We are excited to introduce the new integrated route optimization tool in PestScan, launching no later than June 1st. With the new route optimization tool, you can optimize your daily workload in just a few clicks. In this example, you can see 20 work orders planned in the calendar, divided across 3 technicians. At this stage, all work orders are scheduled from 8 to 9. In the route optimization tool, you select the day you want to optimize, set the penalty time to create extra space between visits, and choose whether visits may be moved from one technician to another. You now see all planned visits for the selected day grouped by technician. For example, Sophie has 7 visits planned with a total duration of 7 hours. Based on her configured work schedule, she is available for 8 hours and 30 minutes on this day. You can click on the visit amount to get an overview of all planned work orders. When a visit is locked and may not be moved, this is clearly indicated with a lock icon. Locked visits will always remain assigned to the original technician and scheduled time. Now we calculate the most efficient routes based on historical Google traffic data. This means the optimization always takes average travel times into account. In this example, 20 visits have been processed. 17 visits can be planned within the available working hours of the technicians. The remaining 3 work orders will be set to be planned in the calendar after applying the optimization. This way, planners always know exactly which visits still need attention. Let's take a closer look at James. Today, he has 6 visits. He starts from home at 9:30 and returns home at 1600. When we open the work orders, we see the full visit overview. At the bottom, we can see that visit 6 has been moved from another technician to save time. The Google Maps view gives a clear visual confirmation of the complete route for each technician. In this case, James starts and ends at location E, which is his home address. Visit 6 was moved from Sophie to James because it was already on his route home and fitted within his working schedule. After reviewing the optimized solution, you can apply it directly to the calendar. With just a few clicks, you save planning time, create more efficient routes based on historical Google traffic data, and help more customers in one working day. Choose the new integrated route optimization tool from PestScan and take your pest control services to the next level. Sign up now and try it free for 1 month using the attached form.